I want you to see how these people are making money. All right, now here's a proof of payments of today's video. All right, you can see people are making $26, people are making $40, people are making $80, people are making $100. Would you like to make the same amount of money that these people are making? Are you fed up with all of these guru telling you you can make $100, $200, but they never show you? They never show you how you can make that money. And today I'm going to show you everything. Now, how would you like to make money by just clicking likes, clicking or commenting on YouTube videos? Yes, you don't even have to get out of your YouTube channel or your YouTube video or anything you're watching. I'm going to show you how you can like videos, how you can comment on videos and make money. Yes, no one is telling you that, but I'm going to show you the website that you need to go to and everything. And without further ado, let's start with the video. And before we even start, if you guys are enjoying these kind of videos and if you guys like the hustle that I do for you guys to find new ideas on how to make money online, make sure to like the video and also make sure to subscribe to my channel, because in this channel we make videos on how to make money online and how to grow income online, passive money online. And if you guys are looking to get my #1 recommendation on how to make full-time income online, the link for that is in the description. Also, if you guys are looking to get my free training, which is 100% free, you don't even have to pay a dime for that, also that link in my description. And join our Facebook group. We have people are joining our group recently, so if you guys are also looking to get in touch with me and also show you other ways to make money online through the Facebook group, the link for that also in the description. Now, without further ado, let's start with the video. Now, the website we are going to be talking about is called rapidworker.com. All right, so this is the website that we are going to talk about, and basically this website is all about people are interested to get work, easy jobs, easy work, that all about liking and commenting and supporting each other, all of that stuff. So there's so many jobs that you can find from here, which is I'm going to show you that in just a second. The first thing what you have to do is sign up, which is very simple, and all you have to do is enter your email, your name and your password and the country you're from, and make sure to never use a VPN for this website, because first of all, this is available worldwide. You don't even have to use any VPN, and it's not allowed to get multiple accounts, because if they find it, they are going to shut down your account, and that's all about it. So whenever you sign up, just go. Now, once you sign up, you are going to be ending up in this page where there's many jobs that you can find from here. All right, now, for example, you can complete a survey, or you can create Gmail accounts, or you can literally just do easy stuff like go to website, sign up for a website, and that's the way that you can make money. But in this video, we are going to be showing you guys how you can literally like YouTube videos and make money. So for example, we are going to be typing in here YouTube, and then we are going to be doing the search thing. All right, now here, as you can see, it's international. All right, because you'll find jobs that are from different countries, but there's many jobs that is international. And for example, you will see YouTube share, and then you will be getting 0.03 for every share you do. And like, you have to do many stuff so that you can make money from here. And for example, if we click here, you will able to share, and also there's this one that you can watch, like, subscribe, comment, and say super easy task and fast payment. All right, and they are going to be giving you good pay, all right, for that. Now we are going to be clicking that because the payment for that is 0.06. and whenever you come in here, this is the video that you have to go into. They're not going to give you link for that, but you have to come in here and then you have to take the link from here, or you can literally just go and search the video up, because some of them, they are going to tell you to search the video from YouTube so that it comes organically from YouTube search, and so that YouTube identify that as a YouTube search. All right, because on YouTube it shows you on the analytics if the views coming from the search, or if it's coming from browse and other stuff. All right, so they are going to give you from the link for that, so that you have to go in there and then you have to go to the video. Now we are in the video, and this is the video they want us to like. All right, now, but first we have to read what they want. They said watch the full video, but you don't even have to watch the entire video. it says without skipping, and you have to like. All right, so what you have to do is you have to like the video, and then they also said you have to do a positive comment, and then you have to subscribe. So these are the three things that you have to do. And then there's also a print screen record, which you can do, which basically means you have to take a screenshot of this that you liked and commented, and then you have to add it in here, and that's all you have to do. You can do as many as you want. There's shares, there's YouTube like, there's comment. All right, and this one says YouTube search. That means you have to search the video in order to like it, and there's many of these are available in here. Now it says here 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but it's not gonna take that long. It's just gonna, all you have to do is just like the video, comment, and then you have to do a comment, and then you have to watch the video if you're interested. If not, then just don't watch it, just like it, and then just go into the next video. Now that's all. Now there's many other ways that you can do with this. For example, there's Facebook like also. They're gonna take you to like Facebook videos, and there's other jobs that also pays you really good, like signing up for a Gmail account, doing signing up for 3 accounts. Some of them they'll tell you need to create 3 Gmail account, and some of them will say send a message to someone else, and these are just gonna be like taking 2 minutes of your time. And if you combine them all together, you can literally make, within an hour, you can make $20 to $30, and you can keep doing that every single day, and you'll literally end up with $50. Somehow you'll end up with $100 $200 a day by just doing these tasks. All right, now this is all you have to do in order to make money with this website, which is very easy. And for example, if we come in here, you can see create Gmail account, and like for example, if we click on this, they are asking you have to read this, what they're asking you to do. You say go to gmail.com, create a new 3 Gmail accounts with a password, and this is the password they want you to do, and then recovery email this. And then whenever you're done with that, once you're done with that, they're gonna give you 10 cents for that. I don't know the reason why they want you to do that, but I don't usually do this kind of stuff because it's somehow illegal, or it's not in the terms of service of Gmail. But the easy ways that you can do is by just going to the YouTube and viewing videos, liking, subscribing, and views doesn't matter, to be honest. They just want you to like the video. All right, and this is another one. It says YouTube 2 channel, subscribe, like, and share, and you're gonna get it. But this is a low of a pay. And you can also do this, and you can literally just go and click on the payments and choose what payments you want. If you want to get our dollar for that, you are gonna be let's just clear the search, because clearly there's no YouTube for that. Now you can see just sign up and email confirmation, but you have to be in USA for this. And if you click also another one, this one is also international, which says you'll get $1 for that. Sign up and share and get paid. That's how easy it is. You can also sign up for this one, where you're gonna get $1 for that. And there's many jobs that you can find from rabbitworker.com, which is very easy jobs. All right, now all you have to do is sign up for the website like I showed you in the beginning of the video. And once you sign up, they're gonna send you a confirmation to your email, and then you can clear jobs and do the task. And pretty much that's how you're gonna get paid with this easy website. Now I hope you guys like this video. If you guys find it very valuable, make sure to like this video. And also, if you guys get paid from this website, make sure to comment and let me know if you guys get paid, so that other people will see your comments, and maybe they like it and they get motivated to do the same. And also, if you guys are looking to make full-time income and you think all of these things are too much of a work, and you're looking to make a passive income online, click the first link in my description, and that way you'll learn how to make money online, my method and my #1 recommendation how to make money online. Also, if you guys are looking to get my course, which is free training, also that link is in my description. And without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.